Construction Robotics was founded in 2007 with a goal of bringing robotics and automation to on-site construction. We started Construction Robotics and we decided to build a robotic bricklaying system. There were two fundamental problems we had to solve. The first one is how do we handle the mortar? The second one is how do we accurately place a brick with a robot? Robots are typically bolted to a concrete floor where everything is very predictable around it. When you go to a job site, everything is dynamic. You take a robot, you put it up on a mass climbing work platform and it's moving around very dynamically in the wind as people walk around. So as the robot goes to the wall, it's going to follow that. Well, we built a sensing system that looks at a laser that's mounted to a building and corrects for any movement that that platform is undergoing. It corrects for that and accurately places that brick every single time. With the mortar, what we do is very different than what the mason does. We apply the mortar to the brick. So as the robot picks up a brick, it applies the mortar to it and places it at the wall. And we can measure the mortar, temper the mortar, and ensure that any different type of mortar is handled very consistently and reliably.
Let me introduce Sam. Sam, say hello. Sam is our bricklaying robot, and it's short for semi-automated mason. It's controlled and operated by a wireless handheld, and you use your USB to load all your map files. You feed all the mortar right into our hopper. We have two brick feeds back here, so this job for your half bricks, or decorative bricks. It's propane powered, and we have two propane tanks that you can hot swap. Feed your bricks with your brick tongs, and it allows you to do anywhere between modular and utility-sized brick. We have safety doors, so when you want to get into the work area, you just open the door and it stops the system. As Sam's actually placing the brick, the next brick's being measured, so it knows the exact dimensions of that brick. Here are some of our safety features, including a safety wheel that when it rides to the end of the scaffolding, it will drop down and it will stop the system. And if there's something in the way, it pops up and it will also stop the system, as well as sensors, bumpers, stops, warning lights, and alarm sounds. And this is our SAM 100 system.
During operation, while Sam is working within a given setup, the mason and the tender keep the system fed, keep it operating, but the system works independently of those people. If they happen to step away for a minute, happen to be talking about a particular detail, or are distracted for whatever reason, the system will continuously lay bricks.
Advanced Construction Robotics presents TYBOT. TYBOT, an autonomous rebar tying robotics system tailored for the construction industry. The new innovative method for tying rebar, which improves workforce safety, enhances productivity, and reduces scheduling risks. TYBOT autonomously navigates bridge decks, identifies and ties rebar intersections using fully developed robotics and artificial intelligence technology. TYBOT arrives on site transported by truck and 40-foot trailer accompanied by the QCT. The unit offers a toolless assembly configuration and can be ready for use with minimal support from your crew and equipment. Extremely easy to integrate with your current operation, the unit uses the existing screed rails already on site as its track for movement. While in use, the unit does not impede any other infrastructure or construction equipment. Before TYBOT begins working, the construction crew places the bar and ties enough of the intersections to secure it in place, approximately 10%. As crews continue to place and frame tie in the bar, TYBOT begins tying any remaining intersections behind the crew. As crews finish with the bottom mat, they can then begin placing and framing the top mat, following behind TYBOT. Once TYBOT finishes the bottom mat, the machine can then be moved under its own power back to the start of the top mat and continue until completion. TYBOT has the flexibility to accommodate many structure types, design specifications, and even work in inclement weather. TYBOT by Advanced Construction Robotics, innovating infrastructure.